Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make my favorite tom yum using halibut and some basic vegetables that you can find in your refrigerator. Tomato, green onion, cilantro, jalapeno, the basic stuff that majority of the Asian household has. First off, we're going to wash it up. No particular way of washing this, rinse it. So yes, I'm using bottled water. Of course, I'm going to enjoy my soup, so I'm using bottled water. Slicing it up. Chopping it up. Wash my knife skill. I've been cooking in the restaurant industry for about 8 years now. I don't know why I don't do it as a career. Add jalapeno to make it spicy, but I actually end up not using the jalapeno. Here's the halibut, fresh caught out of Alaska, guys. Oh my god, these are so good. Fresh. This is the paste that I always use to make my tom yum. Get my water boiling or close to boil and then throw my halibut in there. You're gonna see me stir this up. You're gonna see me add the tom yum paste. Make sure to test it out, see if it's salty. And if not, add a little bit salt to it. Sometimes too much water or too much paste will ruin it, so you do want to test out the broth. Add the seafood mixing. I add the seafood mixing to make it, just have a little bit more protein in it. But you don't have to add the seafood mix in there. And then I threw in my vegetable. I actually overflowed this bowl and it was like spill over. I had to take some liquid out, and here we go. Stir for a while, let it cook down. Love the way how I leave the vegetables chunky and it tastes so good, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. This is like not an in-depth detail how to make it, but just me showing off my video and editing skill. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.